Silent letters in consonant patterns: W, R, K, N, G, N, S, T, and M, B. Our lesson today, we are going to learn more about the silent letters in consonant patterns. Page 225. What are silent letters? Silent letters are letters that appear in the spelling of the words but don't make a sound. They look one way but sound a different way. These consonants W, K, G, T, and B are silent in W, R, K, N, G, N, S, T, M, B patterns. Let's practice when we are going to shh. Silent W. W is not pronounced at the beginning of a word when it's followed by R. Written, wrist, wrinkle, wrench. I did not pronounce the W here in the word written because it's silent. It was followed by R. Also in the word wrist, the W is followed by R, so the W is silent. We do not pronounce it, but we write it. Wrist, wrinkle, wrinkle. The R, it followed the W, so the W is silent. Wrench, the R followed the W, so the W is silent. Shh. Silent K. K is not pronounced when followed by N at the beginning of a word. Can you see here? Can you notice the letter N? It followed the K. And in the word no, the N followed the K. And the word knob, the N followed the K. Also, in the word not, the N followed the K. But we do not spell the K. We do not spell the K. It's silent when it's followed by N. Shh. Silent G. Silent G. G is not often pronounced when followed by N. Design. Design. The N followed the G. Assign. Assign. The N followed the G. No. No. The N followed the G. So, sometimes when we have the N following the G in some words, we do not pronounce the G. It's silent. Shh. Silent T. Silent T. Some words in English language, we do not pronounce the T in them. Some words I have listed some common words: castle, ballet, listen, whistle, often. Can you see the T? It's not pronounced but written. silent B. Silent B. B is not pronounced when following M at the end of a word. Climb, crumb, lamb, thumb. It's not very clearly pronounced. The B, it should be silent. Climb, crumb, lamb, thumb. You should be quiet at the end of the word. You should not pronounce the B. Shh. Some vocabulary to learn. After learning how to spell the words correctly, and we recognized some silent letters in our spelling words, we learned them, and after we did that, we should learn some vocabulary. Wrist, wrist. This part of the hand, it's called wrist. Wrinkle, wrinkle, a sign of aging. Wrench, wrench, what plumber uses to fix things. Other vocabulary: knob, a doorknob. Knit, when you knit a sweater. Knot, knot, when you knot a rope. Assign, when I assign for you an assignment, I do what I assign. Design, 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 what designers do. They plan and they imagine things and they draw things on papers and they design them. Know, when the dog knows its bone. Crumb, crumb, it's some leftover. Maybe pieces of bread, maybe some cookies. Leftover. Thumb, thumb, it's this part of the hand, this part of the hand. Lamb, lamb. Silent letters. Practice these silent letters on the book page number 225. Let's open together, my lovely students, page 225, and let's write, okay, all together the answers. A pup is a young dog. A lamb is a young sheep. Your leg bends at the ankle. Your arm bends at the wrist. You walk on a sidewalk. You climb up a tree. A bit of paper is a scrap. A bit of toast is a crumb. You can weave a tablecloth. You can knit a sweater. Your big toe is on your foot. Your thumb is on your hand. Music is composed. Books are written. Chickens peck at corn. Dogs gnaw on bones. A carpenter uses a hammer. A plumber uses a wrench. A gate has a latch. A door has a knob. Complete each sentence with a list word. The artist painted a striped design on the vase. I know how to dive. He ironed every wrinkle out of his shirt. She tied her shoelace in a knot. My teachers never assign a lot of homework. After finishing page 225 and after writing and copying the answers, we should spell the words, okay, and apply the grammatical rules we learned. We have learned them. And be careful, my lovely students, of the silent letters you are going to see and notice in every word. Thumb, thumb. Design, thumb. The B is silent. Design, design. The G is silent. Not, not. The K is silent. No, no. The G is silent. Wrist, wrist. The W is silent. Wrinkle, wrinkle. The W is silent. Written, written. The W here again, it's silent. Crumb, crumb. The B is silent. Lamb, lamb. The B again, it's silent. No, the K is silent. Assign, the G is silent. Knob, the K is silent. Climb, the B is silent. Wrench, wrench. The W is silent. Knit, knit. The K, it's silent. So after noticing the silent letters and after practicing how to spell them correctly, you are going to spell them again by yourself. Have a lovely day, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Thank you. Ms Rawan Al Qaisi, Jordanian International Schools.